Rylan, what do we got?
Chicks.
Chicks? Chicken dinner? Yeah. But they're so cute. We're so excited. We'll go home and open them, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'm expecting a package today from the post office with our meat birds. And I've got to get things completely ready. I thought that they would show up tomorrow, and so I was planning on getting this all done today. But it looks like they might get here today. So I'm pretty hopeful. Fingers crossed I can get this all done before they come. So we're about to go into the shed. I'm going to clean it out. We have kittens living in our shed right now with their mama. And so we're going to go ahead and move them to a different location. If anyone's in Utah and needs a kitten, let me know. I've got 3. All right, so this is the space that we're gonna keep them in. I'm just gonna take this wire dog kennel. I'm probably gonna have to line it with some smaller wire so that they're not able to get through the cracks. This is where they're going to stay for the very first couple of weeks. I just got the call from the post office letting me know that the chicks are there. Rylan, what do we got?
Chicks.
Chicks?
We need a box for them.
Yeah, we're setting it up right now. We're setting up their box. And I've gone ahead and shrunk this enclosure down. There should be plenty of space for them. And then when they get bigger, then we can extend this if we need to. There might be dead ones. You always risk that with shipped chicks. What we have in here are Cornish cross. Looks like we don't have any that have died. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab each one individually. And I'm going to help them get a drink so that they know where the water is. Oh, this must be our one that is a surprise. It has feathered legs, and it has some dark on its body. Can you guys see how cute? I plan to keep the door open during the daytime. See, my cat, that's what I worry about, is her getting a little too curious and wanting to eat these guys. I've got to run to work. I was worried about the cats getting in here, so this is what I've rigged up. But it still allows airflow in here. So I just got home from work. I am gonna go check on our little chickies. So looks like everyone's alive and doing well. But I am so excited about these meat birds. We've never done this before. I've actually been a little bit nervous about it, but it looks like they're doing so good so far, so I'm really happy about it. Here are our meat chickens. They're all doing really well. We've had them for 2 days, 3 days now. I'm gonna go ahead and just check them all over to make sure everyone's doing okay. Hi, you're super friendly. These guys are so much more friendly than I had anticipated. So I want to show you guys the little chick that Murray McMurray sent us that was just like the extra. This one is not a Cornish cross like the others. You see how cute that one is. It's so fluffy. It is a little bit smaller than the others, so it makes me think, he'll clean his bottom, but it makes me think that this is a bantam. I do have one bantam unintentionally. Her name's Tommy. So I can tell that these guys have already grown so much in just the couple of days that we've had them. They used to be able to almost fit through the chicken wire. Now they definitely would not fit, for sure. I have not refilled these feeders at all. I filled them all the way up and they are still, I mean, you can see the line there where they're at, so I'll have to probably refill them in the next day or two. These guys are doing amazingly well. I was so worried about having them out here just because we are getting nights down into the 40s. But I've been running these 2 heat lamps all night long, and then I turn one off during the daytime because it does get warm in here from being in the shed, just from the sun. It's been a week today since we received our meat birds. Since we have had them, we've lost 1 chick. I'm not sure why it died, honestly. Just came out here one day, one evening to close up the garage, and it had died. So I have no clue what had happened to it. We have 15 meat birds, and then we have 16 with the little one that Murray McMurray had sent that was just like a surprise extra one. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell the size difference that a week had on these guys, but these guys have grown so much. So I've refilled these 2 feeders twice so far, and same thing with this water. I have refilled it twice completely. I think that waterer holds 5 quarts of water. I know you're not supposed to fall in love with your food, so we try not to fall in love, but we love our animals, and so it's been really hard not to, I don't know, love on them, if that makes sense. So they are food. They are, that's what we got them for. So we're trying to keep all that into perspective. We're gonna do continued updates as they grow, just so you guys can see how much they're changing. But, oh, this is so exciting.